You're the heartbeat in my chest. You're the calm inside my stress. And your lights across the sky. You and me.